there, this is Andrea. My week 4 advanced interactive concept, making fireproof balloons. So what I'm going to do is fill the balloon up first and put a flame to it and see what happens. So that's just regular air. I'm really scared of the balloon popping on me, so I'm going to put in a little cooling pen. See the flame? That didn't take very long. Okay, so the air that was in the balloon obviously couldn't handle the heat. So the air molecules inside basically have a very high specific heat. And what's going on is that they're moving so fast, they can't take the heat, they basically explode. So there's a couple of laws that are happening with that. And Charles' law says that when you increase temperature, the volume increases. So obviously I put the flame to the balloon and the heat rose. And so therefore, when the heat rises, the temperature is going to rise. The balloon is only at a certain capacity and it's going to be too much for the balloon. The balloon is going to explode. The second one is Gay-Lussac's law that temperature and pressure are proportional. So when the temperature goes up with the flame, the pressure is going to go up, and again, the balloon isn't going to be able to handle all that pressure. So now I'm going to show is how to basically slow that down, because water is a really good conductor of heat. So I'm going to fill the second balloon up with water. That's really hard. Not quite. Set that balloon up. Okay. And so like I said, water is a really good conductor of heat. It has a very low specific heat. So kind of like similar to metal. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to hold up this flame again to the balloon and show that it's not going to pop. So the water is taking on that heat. It's preventing the air. Well, first of all, the flame is hitting the water first, so the air is not even being exposed to this small flame. And the water is absorbing it, and it would take quite a while for this little amount of heat to heat up that much water for it to be really something that the balloon couldn't handle. It's not that the rubber can't handle it, it really has to do more with the fact that the water or the air inside are taking on that transfer of heat. So if I stood here long enough, I think the water could maybe heat up enough, but I think it'd have to stand up for a very long time, and I don't think that really would ever get to the point where, unless all the water evaporated, that this balloon would explode. So now I'm going to bring it up to the air portion, and oh, well, I guess it went there quicker than I thought it was going to. Okay. So obviously the flame touched the air, and that's why the balloon exploded like the first one. So if you want to make a full fireproof balloon, you have to make an entire um, water balloon.